Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Instilling Islamic values and teachings at home is essential for nurturing a strong sense of faith, morality, and responsibility in children. By incorporating these strategies into daily life, families can create a supportive environment that promotes a deep understanding and appreciation of Islamic values and teachings, allowing the next generation to develop as responsible and mindful Muslims. Children learn by example. Demonstrate Islamic values through your daily actions. You should be honest, kind, and respectful. Perform salah regularly and encourage children to join, making it a family activity. Decorate your home with meaningful Islamic art, verses from the Quran and Hadith to create a spiritually uplifting ambience. Set up a space dedicated to reading the Quran, fostering an appreciation for its teachings. Incorporate Quranic studies into daily routines alongside school studies. Use stories from the Quran to teach morals and lessons, especially at bedtime. Encourage your children to participate in Islamic educational and other activities on Sundays or holidays to enhance their understanding. Teach children the importance of good manners, respect for others, and the concept of akhlaq, character, as emphasized in Islamic teachings. Encourage children to recite dua for guidance and wisdom, fostering a connection with Allah in their daily lives. Encourage them to participate in community service, mosque activities, and charitable events together, reinforcing the value of helping others and being part of the larger Muslim community. Create an open atmosphere where children feel comfortable asking questions about Islam, faith, and practice. Additionally, connect Islamic principles to current events or societal issues to help children understand their faith in a modern context. Emphasize the importance of honesty and ethical behavior in all aspects of life. Use real-life scenarios to discuss these values. Instill the practice of expressing gratitude to Allah and others, highlighting how it can lead to positive character development. We hope this video clarifies your doubts. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for mankind for more informative contents, and share it with your friends and family. May Allah bless you all.